So this is the situation on Sherman Street. When we came out home last night around 11, I couldn't get down this block, so I had to drop Emma and Steph off all the way at the top of the block, which is 10th Avenue, and they walked down. Our house is around third of the way down the block on the left side. And then, fortunately, God bless seafood. There's a seafood. Yeah. Parking lot down there. Yeah, got a great mare. Sure as hell Manhattan's plowed. That's the parking lot. And Borough President Marty Markowitz was down the block there, at the bottom of the block, but on a street that's probably been plowed, but again, because it's like an avenue block like this one. But I've never seen this happen before, where it's taken so long for them to plow the side street. None of the side streets are done here in Windsor Terrace, just the avenues, and some of them just enough for one car to pass down. So that's a story from Windsor Terrace. Oh, and by the way, that's my Subaru with the roof rack over there. I left it there Friday because I wanted it to be on the correct side, alternate side for Monday, which was that side. But the right side is the side that always gets plowed in, but didn't matter which side you were on this time. Well, it's see, it's 9:30, and here comes a plow down 11th Avenue. Hope I'm not in the way here. Yeah. Sort of work as a team.